In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate for simple interest. So first, let's look at the problem. Kayla's student loans finish at a value of $32,500. She begins to pay it off with an interest rate of 5%. She also has 25 years to pay it off. How much interest will she accumulate? Well, we have to remember our formula. I equals P R T. We have our little key to the side here, where I is our interest accumulated, P is our total value that we started with, our principal, R is our interest rate, and T is our time. So, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put in my values. I'm going to identify them. So my principal is going to be red. 32,500 is what I started with. I'm going to find my interest rate now. I'm going to make that blue, which is going to be my 5%. And then my time is going to be green. It's going to be 25 years. Generally, your interest is going to be in years. So now I'm going to input my values into the formula. I equals 32,500 times 5%, but we're going to use the decimal version, so it's going to be 0.05% times 25 years. And I'm going to rewrite that 25 because so now all I'm going to do is multiply them together to calculate for I. So if I do 32,500 times 0.05 times 25, I will get an interest amount of $40,625. That's a lot of interest. But now, this is just how much interest. If I want to figure out how much money Kayla has to pay in total, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do P plus I. So that's going to be my principal of 32,500 plus $40,625. And when I add them together, I get $73,125. If you have questions, please feel free to email your teacher.